Hi, it's Darnell with Waving Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up a pizza in the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fry 360 XL. So let's see how it does with this pizza right now. Alright, so for this particular pizza I got something a little interesting. I spotted this at the store and it's a sausage breakfast pizza with cheddar cheese, breakfast sausage crumbles, scrambled eggs, seasoned potatoes, low moisture mozzarella cheese, and cheddar cheese on a cinnamon waffle crust. Maple flavor syrup packet included. So I figure this will be some fun to work with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the cooker started. I'm going to turn the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fry 360 XL to the pizza setting. It defaults to 375 degrees, which is the temperature that we need, 375 Fahrenheit. I'm going to up the time. They say in the packaging 25 to 28 minutes. I believe it's going to go probably a lot faster, but I'm setting it to 25 minutes anyway and hitting start. And now things are preheating. And once things are done preheating, I'll bring you back and we'll get this pizza in. Alright, so things have preheated, and so going to get the maple syrup pack off the pizza and going to hit pause, turn the time back to the full 25 minutes. We've got the pizza rack on the pizza level, which is level 4 basically in this cooker. And sticking that pizza right there on the pizza rack and gonna hit start. And we'll let that cook for a while and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so about 11 minutes have passed and I'm gonna spin the pizza once it gets to an even 11 minutes and a second or two here and make sure that it cooks evenly on all sides. So hitting pause and opening up. It's been 11 minutes cooking, 14 to go by its clock, but as I said, it may go, whoa, that's really hot. Of course I could use some oven mitts or something, but we got it back in there. Put my potato back on there. Alright, closing up again, hitting start again, and gonna let that continue to cook and bring you back. Alright, I'll let this go for 21 minutes, and it's looking really done in there to me. So I'm going to pause it in a moment and have a look inside, and pausing. And now I'm just going to stick my thermopin down there in the middle and see what the temperature is down there. Yeah, it's like 170s, 180s down in the middle, so it's all the way done all the way through. I'm going to just lift it on out of here and cancel the end that cook and stick my breakfast pizza here on my cutting board. So here's our completed breakfast pizza. Alright, so they have this maple syrup pack. You know, just put a little, it's just a little touch of syrup flavoring on there. So I'm going to get that maple syrup drizzle all on there just to give a little touch of the maple syrup flavoring since it's a breakfast kind of pizza. Alright, that's the end of that. Let's cut on in. You can hear that crunch. It's really, really crunchy. Really crunchy. So I'm going to cut down here, make it into an even 8 slices. Around this way, cut it here, and you hear that crunch. It's real crunchy. That's cool. It's got a real nice crunch on it for sure. So I'm going to put this slice here and let you have a close-up look at that. There you go. I'm going to move the camera and we'll do a taste test. Alright, here's our breakfast pizza. Let's do a taste of this waffle crust. Alright, I'm surprised because that's pretty good. I didn't think it was going to be pretty good. It seems something, a little different to try, but I am pleasantly surprised with the taste. It turned out real well, really nice crispy crust. The Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL cooked it up a little faster than it would have cooked in, say, a conventional oven or something. And keep in mind, a cooker like this is going to use a lot less energy, a lot less wasted heat than a conventional oven. So that's the plus right there. And it's got the top and the bottom cooked well. It did a good job. And so I definitely like what the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL can do for a pizza, given what it has done here. And so I'll put the, just for anyone who needs to see the written form, I'll put the directions in the video description of how I did this. And also you can find this and other recipes, heating instructions for this cooker and others at my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always get to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at waveovenrecipes. And also, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And in the video description also are like referral links for the smaller size version of this cooker, and also other ways to help this channel and ways that you can shop at the Amazon shop. And anything you get, even if you don't get something that I suggested, anything you get just by clicking a link helps this channel. And so basically with that, you can also share this video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.